The reason that I chose to start Talley and Twine was being a consumer of watches, you want to feel noticed, you want to feel seen, and nobody in watch ads looked like me. And I thought that represented an opportunity to make something that people can wear and be proud of and feel like they're being represented. One of the first roadblocks that we ran into was running out of inventory. And when you talk to people, they're like, oh, this is a great problem to have. No, it's not. It's not a great problem to have because I don't have anything to sell. And it hurts the brand when people come to your site and you don't have product.
Initially, it was just putting things in a spreadsheet. I was doing inventory in a spreadsheet. I was updating spreadsheets that wasn't real time, and we couldn't trust where we are at any given time without inventory. How about these light blue teal ones?
I know they've been there for a while.
Now, QuickBooks Commerce gives us the opportunity to see real time where our inventory is. And from a fulfillment perspective, it ensures that we have the right products to fit our customers' needs. Someone buys an order on Shopify, in real time, we'll see that deducted from our inventory. I can also see how we look once our purchase orders are going to come in the future.
Because we know now about how much inventory we need, it allows us to make more informed decisions and to have a year that's better planned out.
We're just now starting to get into wholesale. It's allowed me to even have those conversations. So before, we couldn't have the conversations because we didn't have control of our inventory. Now we have control of our inventory, we can at least set that sales channel up. Now I can vertically or horizontally scale with QuickBooks Commerce, and it's already there. I don't have to implement anything new.
Our goal is to show everyday people doing extraordinary things. And so our whole mission at Talley and Twine is to inspire you to be the best version of you and to create that community and sense of family around you.